Hey friends, Coach Sarah here with Araya Hope Health. Welcome back to my quarantine kitchen, and I'm excited to tell you what my quarantine adventure is for this week. Thank you so much to Katie, the Ironheart Mama, and Claire with Cookie Crumb Fun for hosting this quarantine kitchen collaboration once again. Be sure to check out all the videos in the collaboration. We have an amazing group of women who are here to encourage you and inspire you from their quarantine kitchens in the Trim Healthy Mama lifestyle. I also want to let you guys know that Katie and Claire have an upcoming YouTube Live next Monday at 8 p.m. Central. It will be on Claire at Cookie Crumb Fun's channel. You do not want to miss it. There will be a giveaway, and who doesn't like free stuff? Yay! You ready to get started? I know I am. I'm really excited to make Pop-Tarts. So my plan is to use Slim Belly Jelly. I want to make a blueberry Slim Belly Jelly to go in the center. I also am going to use Glenda Groff's recipe from Around the Family Table. I will post it in the links to her website with the recipe if you guys want to try it as well. And another jelly that I get, it just has fruit, and this is from Trader Joe's. So I'm going to use this one for strawberry. And then I'm also going to make a last one. I'm going for like a cinnamon sugar, but I'm gonna use light Laughing Cow cheese as suggested by my good friend Nikki. Honestly, have to give huge props to Tammy and Nikki for their inspiration. So a lot of what you are seeing is coming straight from them. So you are who you hang out with, you guys. And so if I can encourage you anything today, hang out with people who inspire you to be a better version of you. Join me and find out if Pop-Tarts really are the jam. We're gonna start with Slim Belly Jelly. So I am gonna use my blueberries, my frozen blueberries from Costco. Gentle Sweet because I want it to taste the most like store-bought, so I'm gonna choose Gentle Sweet this time. Glucki for thickener, little lemon juice, and water. That's it. Okay, let's make it. Okay guys, super easy. Throw everything into the blender except for the Glucki. Pour it into a pan, wait till it boils, add your Glucki. Once it's thick, you're done. For the light Laughing Cow cheese filling, use 6 light Laughing Cow cheese, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 2 teaspoons to 3 teaspoons of Gentle Sweet. Now comes the really fun part. Have your dough pre-made. You'll want it to sit in the fridge overnight, and then you can cut it and prep it to add your filling. Here I am adding the light Laughing Cow cheese filling, and really important, guys, you want to add egg white to help seal them shut. So as you can see here, I'm cutting them, then I'm filling them, adding the egg white brushed on, then I'm closing them off, sealing them with a fork. And then I'm putting them on parchment paper so that they do not stick. Another tip, make sure that you cover the finished Pop-Tarts with egg white. This will help them to not burn, and it makes them come out perfect. Here's the strawberry filling with some of the blueberry filling, and you can fill it with whatever you would like that is THM approved. So find your favorite filling and be sure to use that. I did put them into the oven at 425 degrees for 15 minutes, then I flipped them over and cooked them an additional 15. Different ovens may vary, so watch yours closely so that they don't burn. While we're waiting on the Pop-Tarts, I wanted to pop in really quick and just let you know that this summer is going to be amazing. I have partnered again with Coach Nikki from Savory Sweet Freedom, and we are gonna be offering summer coaching June, July, and August for a really, really good deal, you guys. I'm gonna link all the details in the comments, but I wanna make sure that you guys know about this opportunity because you know what? Once we get everybody in this group, we're not gonna be offering another group until the fall. So I don't want you to miss this opportunity. And I can't wait, if you have not met fellow Coach Nikki from Savory Sweet Freedom, please take a moment, hop on over to her Instagram page or her Facebook page, hop on over to mine if you wanna see our ins and outs of every day. The foundation of our groups is built on faith, so that not only can you fuel your body well and your mind well, but you're fueling your spirit. I'm gonna make the icing that's gonna go on the top. It's gonna be really simple, almond milk, Gentle Sweet, that's it. Hot tip from Tammy and Nikki, they said grind the Gentle Sweet first. So I did go ahead and grind my Gentle Sweet in a coffee grinder. So if you have one of these, just quick grind it up so that it doesn't have like a gritty top. So let's get started. I mixed about half a cup of ground Gentle Sweet with about 2 tablespoons, 3 tablespoons of almond milk. You kind of just keep mixing till you get the right consistency. Then you want to make sure that you let your Pop-Tarts cool off completely before you add the icing. So go ahead, let them cool, go take a reading break, then you can start icing. While they're still wet, you can use a little colored erythritol to decorate the tops so that they look pretty and colorful. The end result is worth the effort. Let the icing dry before enjoying. It doesn't take long. Okay guys, so the Pop-Tarts are ready. Don't those look absolutely incredible? I'm so excited to try these. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Do you know what a Pop-Tart is?
Yeah.
You do? I asked my other daughter and she didn't know what a Pop-Tart was, so just saying. I think that's kind of good, right? Which one should we start with? I think I grabbed one of each flavor. So we have blueberry, light Laughing Cow cheese with the sweetener and the cinnamon, and then we have strawberry. So hopefully I grabbed one of each and we'll see how these taste. All right, let's do it. Go ahead. Okay, so I'm gonna try it. This is so amazing. This is the light Laughing Cow cheese with the Gentle Sweet and cinnamon. It is delicious. I love it. Can you guys see inside here? I wish I could just, here, I really want to give you some, so go ahead. I did bite off that side, that's not nice. Let me switch it around. Okay, you can have a bite from this side. We're friends, right? Sharing is caring. Here you go. One bite for you, my friend. Enjoy. We're gonna try this one. I can't tell what flavor this one is. So, you wanna go? Okay, here she goes. Oh, I think you just got the crust. Is it good? What flavor was it? Was that strawberry or blueberry?
Not sure.
Not sure. Okay, I'll take a look. So, we're sharing. It's okay. Well, I can't really tell which flavor this one is, so let's see. I'll try to get some of the filling. Oh! We got the same one. It's the same filling. Oops. We have the blueberry one and we actually, oh, can I see it for a second? We actually cut it in half so we could see what we're getting ourselves into.
Yeah.
And we can do it at the same time. Oh, you got it? Go for it. That one's good? Okay, let me try it. You guys, this one tastes exactly like a Pop-Tart. Like, for real. I am not messing with you guys. I did the blueberry slim belly jelly. Oh, it's divine. I did do the 7 teaspoons of Gentle Sweet, just heads up. I like it sweet, and then it has the almond milk and Gentle Sweet glaze. So good. A bite for you, my friends. Okay, guys, this is actually the strawberry one. My bad, sorry. Now we're gonna try a blueberry one though. So strawberry one so far tastes exactly like a Pop-Tart. This tastes like a Pop-Tart. Okay, sorry about that, guys. The last one was indeed strawberry. We have found the blueberry one. We are going to try it. This is the blueberry, Slim Belly jelly. So we're ready to try the blueberry flavor. Are you ready? You go. Do you like that one more or the strawberry?
Strawberry.
You heard it there. I'm gonna try the blueberry now. I think I didn't put enough jam in the center, so I need to have a second bite. They're so good. Honestly, you guys, all of them. I like them all for different reasons. They're really good. What do you think, Araya? Wow. I'm in heaven right now. It came to me, you guys. I know what these taste like. Toaster strudels. Toaster strudels. Yes, Pop-Tarts, but toaster strudels. Because they're kind of like flaky and pastry. I was like, these remind me of something. And then boom, toaster strudels. So if you miss toaster strudels in your life, this is the answer. I got you. And don't forget about the amazing summer coaching opportunity coming up June, July, and August. We're only a few weeks away, so don't miss out. All right, have an awesome, blessed day, and I hope that your quarantine kitchens are filled with love, laughter, and hope.
If you like my video, like, subscribe, and comment down below.